Hey guys! Sorry this video was not supposed to be a voiceover, but it is. So I'm starting off with a glass of cold water, and I needed some electrolytes in my system because I was super dehydrated. Not sure if you guys ever tried this before, but this is Liquid IV in the guava flavor. So good. And so sour. So I'm just taking a heavier cream, mixing it with my Flower Beauty CBD Skin Serum. That's just been like my moisturizer routine lately, and can we just address that pimple? A friend just decided to show up uninvited. Because it's St. Patty's Day, I really wanted to film this green look. I didn't want to do anything too dark in that black, green, emerald look, but I still want to keep it green, obviously. But I kind of wanted to have a lighter green, like a olivey kind of color, so that's what I'm going for today. I'm using my Lorac palette, using that green, and I'm just focusing this color on my outer crease and just blending it into the center of my eyes. So I'm using this pencil brush to really shape out my eyes so it looks a little bit more rounder. So at this point, I'm explaining that I'm going to use concealer to do a cut crease. So I'm just using this on the center to really brighten this part as a base, because I'm going to be using an olive color on that lid space. And I hella love this brush, and it's really old. So even the writing is like coming off, but it is a 7N by Makeup Forever. It's a really thin brush, even from the tips, it's really thin. So when I'm actually doing a cut crease, it's actually flexible, and it doesn't even tug my skin. It's actually a really good brush. So I'm gonna take another shadow brush that is more rounded, and I'm making sure I'm using the tip of the brush, rounding out my crease. You guys know I love my naked lashes, so I came across these other Kiss lashes that are called MLBB, which is my lashes but better. So I was really excited to try these on, and the first thing I noticed and was so annoyed of is that there was a lot of glue from the packaging. So I had to like remove all that clear glue, but it was still there like in between the lashes. So I'm not sure if that was just a bad batch, but I basically just shaped it to my eyes and trimmed off that I didn't need. And these lashes are like so perky. Look at them. They're just like, hi. See, those are the ones I really like. They're longer, but they're just not as perky. The lashes I have on, you can see they just have like a weird bend to it. So there's no two layers of lashes. Moving on to complexion. I'm trying out this new stick by Merit. I think it's Merit, M-E-R-I-T. I know it's not a foundation stick, but I was hella motivated because I really thought it was. So it's actually just like a touch-up stick. So if you have like a spot that may be rubbed off, but I'm gonna test it out on my blemish over there, you can see. It definitely neutralized the color. The texture is still there, which is okay, but I thought I could just spot treat my face, and then I ended up just putting it all over my cheeks. This did remind me of the Hourglass Vanish stick. It's the same consistency. It's like a cream stick, but it turns into like a soft powder. And guys, this color is like a complete match. Even with my nails. I really wish they have a foundation stick in that formulation, but that color is like dead on, which I totally like. So I'm trying out a new concealer by Rare Beauty. The consistency is nice, the color is nice for brightening, but once I blend it all out, I felt like it just sheared out, like it went nowhere. So I'm gonna have to give that another try to see if it's to my liking. As usual, I'm going to mirror the colors from the top to the bottom. followed by some mascara to my lower lashes. This is where I need to make sure my lashes mesh with the falsies, otherwise it's gonna stick straight out. This mascara does wonders for my lower lashes, guys. Super long. Just going to highlight my inner eye corners with the Huda Beauty Mint palette. I love this palette. The colors are so bright. They feel like Play-Doh. Have you guys ever tried it? Now I'm going to take Warmth and just apply it all over my face. And I'm going to pair my lips with this Milkshake color with a pinky lip gloss. And that is it for my St. Patty's look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it ended up being a voiceover, but stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!